Right now, in an ordinary office building, a desk sits empty. Not because someone quit, not because someone retired, but because a machine learned to do that job faster, cheaper, and without ever needing to look up cut to a sweeping time lapse of a sprawling, open plan office. The sun sets and rises outside the glass windows. Desktop monitors glow in the dark. The chairs remain perfectly tucked in. This is the story of the job that disappears. For a decade, we were handed the same comfortable warning: AI is coming for your livelihood. Someday. That someday arrived while we were sleeping. So far this year, 267 separate layoff events have erased nearly asterisk 186,000 jobs across tech, finance, and healthcare. That is more than 1,000 livelihoods cancelled every single working day. Rapid fire, clean graphics flashing corporate tickers, layoff trackers, and the cold geometry of bar charts. Look at April alone. Roughly 21,400 job cuts more than a quarter of all layoffs that month were directly attributed to artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a corporate experiment. It is the third leading cause of unemployment in America. And for the first time, a tech giant said the quiet part out loud. Oracle disclosed in a legally binding SEC filing that AI had shrunken its workforce by 21,000 people in a single year. Not a projection, not a rumor, a sworn admission to federal regulators. The camera slowly zooms in on the black and white text of the SEC filing, highlighting the number 21,000. The future of work isn't approaching. It's already filing paperwork. So, who goes first? Right now, it's the workers we systematically undervalue. The data entry clerk, the customer support agent, the administrative assistant, the paralegal reviewing contracts at midnight. These jobs are anchored to repetition and repetition is where the machine thrives. In New York City alone, McKinsey found that administrative roles account for over a quarter of all projected AI losses. Customer service takes another 20%. Look at the global payments company, Klarna. They deployed an AI assistant that now handles 70% of all customer interactions ***. That is the workload of 700 human beings. The AI is doing the work. The 700 humans are gone. A worker in silhouette packing a cardboard box. A printer feeding out a single, crisp copy of a resume . Analysts estimate that **7.5 million administrative roles will vanish by next year. Goldman Sachs puts the current bleed at **16,000 US jobs every month. But don't comfort yourself with the idea that this is just routine clerical work. It's climbing the ladder. Shift to high-end workspaces, a mid-level software developer frowning at lines of code, a junior financial analyst looking at complex spreadsheets. Mid-level software engineers, financial analysts, marketing strategists, entry-level coders. These roles aren't being vaporized overnight. They're being hollowed out from the bottom. If an algorithm can write the basic code of a junior employee, companies simply stop hiring juniors. But without junior roles, how do you breed seniors? The corporate ladder isn't breaking. It's just quietly losing its bottom rungs. The pain of this transition is not distributed equally. 60% of jobs in advanced economies are exposed to automation. But look closer at the data, and you find a stark demographic truth. This wave is disproportionately hitting women. In the United States, 79% of employed women work in occupations highly vulnerable to AI automation, compared to 58% of men. Globally, women's roles face disruption at twice the rate. Why? Because decades of corporate sorting concentrated women in administrative, clerical, and service roles, the exact sectors being automated first.